You guys are probably wondering, but I'm finally updating the channel. I'm gonna switch over to woodworking. Right now, this is the shop I have. We bought a house, and now I have a pole barn, and this is not my boat, but that would be nice. And I kind of got into computer scrapping for a while, and I'm going to keep that up on the side, but I'm not making a YouTube channel on it. There's plenty of stuff on that. What I am going to do is frame in a section of this pole barn and do woodworking. So I have a radial arm saw here, which we'll do something with. It's got some printers on it. I got this table saw given to me. That's kind of a long story. It was a bad trade, and the guy decided rather than drag it home, he would just leave it. So yeah, one-ended trade. And then I have my cobalt knockdown saw, which was what I was supposed to be trading away. Not a even trade. Yeah, bunch of stuff. That birthday party stuff's been there since July. But we're gonna do some video framing this up. I just got back from the store with more 2x4s. This project hasn't been touched in about 2 months. So expect some video of the framing and heat. There's no heat in this barn. But yeah, I guess draw an imaginary line down this cement cut line and then back to that post there. So that wall will continue over to there, which is what I might do today. Probably not. We're gonna have like a half wall here, and then it's gonna come out. The wall that goes back this way is gonna have nothing on it, just electrical. And then this wall will have openings for a door, and I've got a old window mount air conditioner that I'm gonna put in there so I can cool it in the summer, because it can get a little toasty in